Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an online BhatBhateni account. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and download the BhatBhateni app. Then open it. After that, it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option register. Now fill up all the details over here. And once you fill in all of the details, tap register. And as you can see, the code has arrived on my phone number. Simply enter the code, then confirm it, and there you have it. You have successfully signed up or created a BhatBhateni account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.